So cancel this 4 by 4. Now 4 divided by 1. So 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this problem, here we have one division, here multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. So is equal to 4. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 4 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this fraction 1 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 1, right? Then multiply 4. So now 4 upon 1 is equal to 4. So we can remove this one. Now 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Multiply 4. So now 16 multiply 4 is equal to 64. So the correct answer is 64, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.